This is the lecture video for section 5.5. This is the last one, video 8. Here we're going to introducing the last set of the identities called the sum to product. So before video 7, we're talking about the product to sum. So that means we have a product, like a cosine of A times cosine of B equals to a sum of two trig functions. But now we're talking about sum to product. That means we're talking about, I have a sum, for example, sine of A plus sine of B. And then the sum will become to a product of 2, I mean 2 is not part of the product, 2 times sine of A plus B over 2. Here is the product multiplied by cosine of the A minus B over 2. The second one is sine of A minus sine of B, which is equal to 2 times cosine of A plus B over 2 times sine of A minus B over 2. The third one is cosine of A plus cosine of B, which is 2 times cosine of A plus B over 2 times cosine of A minus B over 2. And then the last one is cosine of A minus cosine of B, which is negative 2 times sine of A plus B over 2 times sine of A minus B over 2. As I mentioned before, you do not need to memorize any of those formulas. So the example we have is I want to write the term or the expression cosine of 3 theta plus cosine of 7 theta as a product of two functions. So cosine plus cosine, which is going to be this formula we're going to use. So cosine of 3 theta plus cosine of 7 theta apply to the formula, which is equal to 2 times cosine. Oh, by the way, the formula is this one. So 2 times cosine of A, which is 3 theta, plus B, 7 theta over 2, multiplied by cosine of A, 3 theta, minus B, 7 theta over 2. We can only simplify or performing the operation between the 3 theta and 7 theta. So I got 10 theta over 2 and negative 4 theta over 2. And then we end up with 5 theta and negative 2 theta. Since cosine is an even function, that means cosine of negative 2 theta is the same as cosine of 2 theta. So that is the answer for rewriting the expression as a product of two functions.